here today. I'm in my kitchen because I'm doing a bake with me video. Also, I just want you guys to know, I could have been lazy today, but no, I decided to get up, curl my hair, put on makeup, you know, throw on like a semi-cute outfit just so I could film for you guys. So please give it a thumbs up for my effort today. So yeah, anyways, we're doing something like totally different. So I'm making blondies, and if you guys don't know what blondies are, because a lot of people haven't heard of them, they're basically brownies, but they're not brown, they're blonde, so they're like the color of my hair, right? Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be making those today, and I don't know, I just thought it was different because everyone does like muffins or like cookies, so we're just thinking outside the box, right? Hopefully you guys enjoy. Again, sorry my lighting is terrible. I really tried to have a ring light and everything. Like I really am trying for this video, so please accept my efforts. Okay, thanks. Yeah, let's get going. You have to move the tripod.
Or I can just do that.
So we have a recipe on my phone, and yeah, I'm just gonna like start mixing all the stuff or whatever.
Just push start.
Start 8" by 8" metal baking. Well, I have glass, so I actually know how to use this because I took home ec. So yes.
Oh, you did? Oh,
yeah. I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna mix, but it just had a stick of butter. Well, I'm feeling yellow because I'm feeling happy. By the way, life hack, use a towel so you don't get a mess everywhere and then your mom doesn't get mad at you later. Cut the butter, well then it melts easier because then it's not
does?
like, yeah, because it's not melting the whole stick.
I mean, I guess it makes sense. Or does it? I don't know.
I don't know. This is just how I do it.
Do you talk to animals?
Yeah, I love talking.
These are the dumbest questions. Are you hungry 24/7?
Yes. I don't know who isn't.
What?
Like, who's not hungry 24/7? Who is not thinking about food all the time?
I'm not thinking about food right now.
Oh. So, we have our butter. So, now I'm gonna blow up the microwave.
Oh, that's so fun. Wait. I want to zoom in.
Am I in the thing?
Unfortunately, yeah.
It smells like quesadilla.
Oh yeah, we can make quesadillas.
Wait, I'm gonna get a plate just so Mom doesn't get mad at me, so the butter doesn't explode. Okay, I'll throw it in. I like to do, probably like, we'll do 15-second intervals because, yeah.
Oh my gosh, your highlight looks really good. That was really gross.
We're going to, butter and brown sugar. Oh, it's melted. See? It only took me like 45 seconds.
Why does Ulta keep texting me? Ulta needs to stop.
What?
Oh, I don't know. I signed up for their you know like how they ask for your email.
Mm-hmm.
Like yeah. So I was there and they were like, oh, can we have your email? And I was like, oh, I don't really want to give you my email. And they're like, so what's your email? So I just gave them my email. And then now they know everything.
You can unsubscribe from.
I know, but somehow they got my phone number too.
How do you?
Oh my gosh, you want help?
No, I got it.
Like, what?
There. I'm going to probably mess this up. So pour the butter.
Oh, that was so gross.
Jonah is probably gonna get mad after he sees this video.
What if he's not subscribed?
Jonah is subscribed.
Oh, okay.
I hope. Okay, brown sugar.
You have to lock it, yeah.
I know how to do this. Back am I done? It's plugged in, right?
Does that one not work? Okay, it works.
Oh, egg. How much eggs do I need? I need 1 egg. So, 1 egg is 1/4 of a cup. So.
Is that say that on there?
Yeah. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract.
1.5.
1 1/2.
Yeah, I know, 1.5.
So I'm gonna take a half.
Oh my gosh, you're so smart!
Real.
You're so smart. I thought you were gonna just do like the 1.5.
No, dude. I got a 4.0 GPA. Okay, this is 1/4. How am I supposed to get 1/8?
Just do half of it. Just like eye it.
Okay. When the batter looks well blended and smooth, add the flour. Turn this up a little more.
Bro, you trying to break the house?
It's on 4.
I never go past like 2. Although Jace like flicked it all the way to 10.
Okay, so.
No.
Sorry. Spray a little bit, right? And you take your thing. Oh wait, I was supposed to add chocolate chips, like the little white ones.
Oh, we just don't have those.
Darn, I guess we'll just have to run to the store.
Oh wait, we do!
We do! Oh no, no, no.
Oh my gosh. Rachel.
It's fine, just what?
I'm sorry, that was really loud.
I'm
Sorry.
like, people are gonna so criticize me after this. Mis manos son lavo.
You are so.
I took 4 years of Spanish.
5.
Oh, true. I mean, it's like Spanish for honors. Like I was.
Dang. I can see you're acting through your veil.
Let's not zoom in.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, that was so mean. Your battery's running low.
Sure.
Do I have to like leave? That's not.
Okay, it's a final result.
The lighting's bad.
Oh wait, I forgot to turn on the ring light.
Yeah. Good.
That's what you do. Okay, so
Bye!
no, we have to do a taste test.
Take one.
Alright, so we're done with our blondies and I just cut them and now I'm going to try one. We're going to do a taste test. So mukbang.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. I just don't think I cooked them long enough.
Great.
Probably could have put them in for a little longer.
That's okay.
I mean, the texture feels cooked, but it doesn't taste cooked, you know?
I mean, they taste good.
Do you get what I'm saying about the cooked
Yeah.
thing? Alright, so that was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to use thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you guys want more bake with me, then like let me know. Because I'm not super good at baking, but like I'm definitely not opposed to like learning and getting better. So yeah, I don't know. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, yeah, all that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!